Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete recently played on Spotify, right? So let's go into the Spotify and make sure that you're using the latest version of Spotify, right? So just go to the Play Store or App Store and update it as soon as possible. And here just let me tell you that there is a no feature where it will show you that how you can delete recently played on Spotify, right? So what we are going to do here, you can, there are two options. The first one is that you can log out. You have to just go to your library, or you can just go to your account. After that, click on this setting icon which is on top right side corner and scroll it till to the bottom, and here there's a logout feature. You can log out, right? But this is not the best solution, I can tell you. But you can do one thing. If you want to hide your recently played on Spotify, you can do one thing. Just go to the any of the playlist that you want to hide, and here you can see the three dots. So just click on this, and after that you have to just scroll a little bit, and you can click on exclude from recommendations, right? So after just clicking on this, it will not recommend you, and it will not show the recently played on Spotify. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.